that they are broadly scripted. Some of the contestants have been briefed. There are a lot of contestants who've used my name to be in the headlines. कोई और होता मेरी जगह तो वो टॉलरेट भी नहीं कर पाता और उतनी देर तक सर्वाइव भी नहीं कर पाता. Big Boss helped me learn what I don't want. Reality shows are not real anymore.
आगे 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 पीछे हग हग
The sweater one.
Hey, how you doing? This is Pooja Mishra. You're watching me on Bollywood Hangama. Spare me.
Stand up.
By the grace of God, I've just been awarded the Best Entertainer on Television Big Boss Season 5. And I'm absolutely humbled because there are people out there who have understood the core of Pooja, who have even enjoyed my fights. They said that on Big Boss Season 5, everybody was fighting. But Pooja Mishra's fights were entertaining. And today when I've got that trophy, I am so heartened that there is eternal justice. There are people out there, viewers out there who are very intelligent, who understand what's actually going on and what is scripted.
अब मैं जाके सो सकता हूँ? शॉट तो ले लिया बिग बॉस ने. कैमरास के लिए काफी ड्रामा हो गया. अब मैं जाके सो जाता हूँ.
Spare me. Spare me.
Big Boss was definitely an experience of a lifetime. It was an eye-opening experience. I learnt a lot about human behavioral patterns. Yes, it was definitely a very difficult journey for me in that house because I was time and again targeted, ganged up against, literally victimized. But it was me, Pooja Mishra, who refused to get crushed by it all and still survived for quite a long duration and was called in again for a second entry. So I would imagine I did something right. जी हाँ, जो उस घर में मेरे साथ हुआ, पूरी दुनिया के सामने हुआ, काफ़ी हद तक बहुत ही गलत था और कोई और होता मेरी जगह तो वो टॉलरेट भी नहीं कर पाता और उतनी देर तक सर्वाइव भी नहीं कर पाता. उसके बाद जिस तरह से मुझे एडिट किया गया कन्वीनियंस के लिए, TRPs के लिए, आदमी इतनी मेहनत करके एक मुकाम पे पहुंचता है अपने करियर में, उसके बाद अगर इस तरह से उसे दर्शाया जाएगा, उसकी जो सालों की मेहनत है वो बिल्कुल टार्निश हो जाती है. But I don't take it all very seriously. There are a lot of contestants who've used my name to be in the headlines, whether it's Gulabo Sapera, whether it's Vida, whether it's Pooja Bedi. A lot of them, have taken my name to make headlines. I've not reacted because I do not want to dignify whatever they've said with a response. I'm happy thinking positive. I've taken the whole Big Boss episode, the whole Big Boss experience very positively. I think after Big Boss, I have definitely become more street smart. I feel that Big Boss has definitely opened my eyes to a lot of things that I don't want to be involved in. A human being always knows what they want. But Big Boss helped me learn what I don't want. I feel that they are broadly scripted. I think some of the contestants have been briefed prior to entering the show so as to what should they do, who should they pick fights with, who should they try to misbehave with and things like that to create some sort of chaos for TRPs. I absolutely agree with that, and to a certain degree that was something that you saw on Big Boss as well. It was pretty prevalent there as well. Yes, to a great extent reality shows are not real anymore. After Big Boss, I have noticed media trying to get a closer look so as to who really Pooja Mishra is. She's not what you saw on Big Boss. Yes, that is an aspect of my personality to be short-tempered, but at the same time, Pooja Mishra has a plethora of talents and capabilities which have gone unexplored on Big Boss. So I've taken it as a mission to show it to my audience, to my well-wishers, to my fans worldwide, that there's a lot more to Pooja Mishra than they saw on Big Boss. I have a book coming up called Spare Me. I have a song coming up called Spare Me. I have movies coming up. I'm doing a lot of plays, theatre. I have a clothing line. I have a lot of other talents, which have totally gone unexplored on Big Boss. So I'm working really hard. I think Priyadarshan is a great director. I think Ram Gopal Verma is fabulous. I think Vishal Bhardwaj is amazing. I think even Satish Kaushik does great comedy, David Dhawan. There are so many nice directors actually, and so many upcoming new ones as well who are fabulous. I think Mahesh Bhatt makes great music for his movies. So yeah, these are some of the people I definitely like to work with. Bollywood में बहुत ज़्यादा stereotyping चलती है and उसीलिए बिग बॉस के बाद मुझे भी stereotype किया जा रहा था उस negative violent image के साथ, पर मैं वो नहीं हूँ. उसीलिए मैंने मिशन बना लिया है दुनिया को दिखाने के लिए कि पूजा मिश्रा में और भी बहुत सारे टैलेंट्स हैं. I have been doing theatre acting for a really long time with Alec Padamsee and Gary Richardson. And acting is a passion, and I've got other movies lined up as well where I'm required to act. They are performance-oriented roles. I have a movie called Baja Baja Dunga, which is due for release in August. I'm doing this item number in the climax. I'm very excited, and I'm looking forward to an August release of Baja Baja Dunga. Spare me.